camera? Oh, yeah, there's a red light now.
Okay, we're good.
Oh, okay, we got a whole minute left. Oh, okay. Yeah, just shoot me in the mask.
What the fuck? Dude, we're gonna get ass raped. God, I know. We need the object of this game. Yeah. Unfortunately.
Dude, they're all just like not even moving up trying to get the diamond. It's like, oh, this is fun. 3 kills.
Yeah. Look at these guys. They're fucking standing. Are you down? Okay.
Hey, we have the advantage. We got an attack going down a hill.
Dude, I might rip off. You got guys behind you.
How's that a disadvantage?
Oh, dude, look, that's your cheating right there. The guy with the sword, he doesn't talk to it.
Oh, the guy in the red shorts?
Yeah, well, one of them.
Yeah.
Okay, we got 23 seconds.
Alright, you guys, what are we gonna do? I don't know, we got a couple guys there, they need to hold down. Okay, we got like 23 seconds.
Die, constant.
Do you want to like,
right for the tunnel,
do you want to like stop and then everybody just like drop down and shoot?
I'm gonna try and... Alright, well I'm a support gunner. I think I'm just gonna shoot these fuckers right here.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I would lower your gun.
I'm going to just shoot the fuck out of these guys. You get the guy on the left side right there. Okay.
Hey guys, timer's off.
Alright.
Lower your gun and just...
Hold on, wait.
I'm gonna count.
I'm joining.
On our counts.
I don't give a shit.
Okay. Just wait for I want that guy to pop back every time.
I'll get hit, whatever. Kind of the object of the game.
Okay, so when do you want to shoot?
I don't know. Are you guys ready?
I'm ready.
Ready to get shot again?
Yep.
Ready? I'll press the stop button, dude.
4, 3, 2, 1. Look it, yeah!
Start that timer again.
Yeah, I'm on it right now. Not again. Start.
I got 2 shit right now. I know.
Is that one of ours right there?
Oh, sorry. Thought you were one of the enemies. Sorry, bud.
No, cartel's down here. Sorry.
Oh, dude, I hit his mask.
Oh, that's a nice sounding gun.
Hell yeah, it's a freaking GDD Star.
Yeah, dude, that thing is badass.
That shit up, man. Nice. Still right on the hill. Nice job.
Yeah, I know. He just got jumping around the guy. Oh yeah, fuck me. Hey, far right.
Yeah.
Reloading!
Here, we'll take the gun.
43 guys, 43. Couple of guys are there.
Oh man.
I'm pinned, I can't get up.
30 seconds.
So you gotta watch out. I think I should sprint this way. These guys
shoot those guys when I get in.
I'm gonna sit behind you.
30 seconds! I'm moving.
20 seconds. Keep your hands up. One on the hill by the ref.
coming around on the 6.
By the hill left side. Hey guys, you see that?
Go! Move! Sweet. Perfect. Guys, watch my back.
Got it.
Back in the boundary of the field.
Let me give it to you. Nice. Who's watching this direction? They got stuff over there.
That timer on again.
Yeah, you guys got a 2-0-0.
What's that?
A minute and a half. Okay.
That's a good spot right there if you get up and find that cover.
Start the timer?
Yeah.
Let's go up instead of down low.
You guys just count 2 minutes. It doesn't even matter.
Dude, it seems like not many people are going through this line.
1 more minute.
That's fine. guys over there. Want them to be scared.
Hit.
I don't like that. But watch, look at this bush.
50 seconds.
We got guys in the hill already trying to flank.
One guy just went by the
Closer, I think he's on.
Yeah.
by the pillars.
Watch your behind us.
Watch your right by the pillars.
Oh, damn.
30 seconds.
Come on now.
Oh, you're good. You only got 30.
30 seconds.
He's out.
Come on, man.
Okay, those guys are watching us. There's two up on the hill.
Alright, you guys, as soon as we spawn, everybody shoot that direction.
15 seconds. They're going to be dropping rounds on us, so might as well drop them.
Hey, get over here. We're going to be lighting those fuckers up.
9 seconds, Evan. We're going to light up